The client wanted a space that could transform in order to meet his daily needs, but also to accommodate more than one person, for the times when he has visitors.
The apartment was a blank canvas. It didn't have any finishing on the walls or floors, except the external area of the terrace and the 2 bathrooms that were fully equipped.
My name is Samuel Garcia.
And my name is Delia Slonano, and we are architects at Studio Papaya in São Paulo, Brazil.
The apartment is located in Moema, São Paulo. It's close to public transport, including an airport nearby. There are restaurants, cafes, and shops within walking distance from the apartment. The apartment building was built in 2021. It is a residential building and is occupied by mainly younger owners or families. The client is a 36-year-old professional that loves traveling and kitesurfing. He wanted to reflect his preference for neutral colors and materials. We wanted to maximize the space by increasing flexibility, functionality, and visual appeal, combined with carefully chosen furniture and lighting to achieve an apartment that exudes elegance and a welcoming ambience.
There was a small entrance, a living room and kitchen separated by a half-height wall, a large terrace, a guest bedroom and bathroom, and a main bedroom with an ensuite. We removed 2 of the walls from the guest bedroom and replaced them with a sliding door on one side and a folding door on the other. The room was then converted into a living room that doubles as a guest room. We then removed the half-height wall from the kitchen and the doors leading to the terrace. We were able to recover a lot of floor space that would otherwise be used as just a terrace. Upon entering the apartment, you are immediately in the open kitchen, dining and living space with views of the city. We painted the wall and door in a rich dark green color which flows from the entrance to the main bedroom. By the entrance, there is a custom-designed wall shelf unit made from Cumaru wood veneer which complements the polished concrete floor. There is a small cupboard for shoes, a tall mirror and a space to hang clothes on the wall. The wall shelf unit wraps around the corner of the room into a study nook with floating shelves on both sides of the nook. The nook provides additional storage for the owner's guitar and kiteboarding equipment. The kitchen and dining room is in a large open utilitarian space that could meet different needs, such as family dinners, informal meetings, and daily cooking. The main kitchen functions are along the wall. It is finished in the same Cumaru veneer as other parts of the apartment. The countertop and splashback is made from a black granite. There is space for an oven for when the client needs it in the future. The floor here is a light polished concrete which keeps the space bright and airy. We dropped the ceiling above to make an oval opening. The oval shape provided a shelf to put plants on. We also hid the air conditioner unit here. As a result of removing the terrace doors, we were able to extend the kitchen out towards the terrace. We decided to use a black wood veneer for this section to visually mark the new area. This allowed us to create a large floor-to-ceiling storage unit for household items and a laundry space with a sink beside it. The water heater is also hidden within the storage unit, and we added ventilation on the door and sides, which we disguised with floating shelves so it's less obvious. The removal of the terrace doors left a support beam, so we covered it in mirrors to make it look less obvious. We added a bar-height table to the end of the beam to create an informal surface to have breakfast or to use for cooking prep. On the other side of the terrace, there is a minibar and a hidden espresso machine. We also hid a part of the air conditioning unit here. Along the balcony rails of the terrace, we added tall glass windows. When the glass windows are open, it still gives a feeling of being outside. We removed the wall between the living room and the guest bedroom. This transformation allowed us to use sliding panels to replace the traditional walls of the bedroom. It turned it into a versatile space that could function both as a living room with a TV and a guest bedroom. In the main bedroom, we designed a custom platform for the bed to rise it off the ground and create additional storage on the side and underneath. Custom headboards in grey cotton fabric not only add to the overall aesthetics, but also provide thermal and acoustic comfort. We also used the same materials from the headboard to create a soft floor-to-ceiling wall on the other side of the room. The wardrobe has an L-shaped design in the corner of the bedroom. We used a mixture of mirrors and wood veneer for the closet to maximize the feeling of space in the bedroom. The ensuite bathroom benefits from natural light and features a wide color palette, creating a sense of lightness. The guest bedroom that lacks windows embraces a darker ambience and showcases a round backlit mirror as its centerpiece.
Designing a limited space requires attention to the smallest details, so the primary intent was to work with colors and materials that could bring identity while creating a smooth fusion between form and function.
The careful integration of multifunctional areas, smart storage solutions, and flexible furniture arrangements not only optimize space but also promote a sense of openness, versatility, and comfort.
We love inspiring you with our YouTube videos, so here's a special bundle from our store to inspire you even more. It includes our new essential guide to your living room, a digital guide packed with expert tips and tricks to help you transform your living room into the perfect space, and our first hardcover book featuring 30 of our favorite small footprint homes, filled with detailed floor plans and gorgeous photography. The bundle is available worldwide from our store just for you.
You're welcome! Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.